Hello everyone, Kolonji Murray with TaxAssurances. Just wanted to do a helpful video around business tax returns. So during the tax season, I definitely come across, business owners, whether they're established business owners or even first-time business owners that really want to make sure they get the most bang for their buck when it comes to, tax preparation for their business. The first thing, obviously, is getting a summary of all of the income that was had during the course of the year. So if you've got 1099s, if you've got year-end statements that come from credit card company processing companies, we definitely want to get that information. If you've got cash, even if you've got checks or any number of ways that people can pay you, we want to make sure that we get a copy of all that information. And then obviously the other important part is getting the expense information. So uncovering the expenses can be an easy process, but it also can be a challenging process, and that sometimes there are business expenses that business owners don't recognize that they're really qualified to take as a deduction. So part of my responsibility as a preparer is to really sit down with a business owner and take what they originally provide to me, but then have a deeper conversation about what else has happened with the business, and try to uncover in that conversation other expenses that may have been incurred that they don't necessarily think of as a business expense. So that's definitely what I do. If there are employees that are involved, we want to make sure we get a summary of what was paid to them, independent contractors, supplies, equipment. All of those things really go into making sure we prepare an accurate tax return. So hopefully that helps. If you've got more questions, by all means, reach out. But until then, take care.